Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and guilty after every meal? Do you want to make a change but don't know where to start? Well, have no fear because the plant-based diet is here. What is a plant-based diet, you ask? It's a way of eating that focuses on whole and processed foods from plants like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. And no, it doesn't mean you have to eat like a rabbit and give up all your favorite foods. In fact, there are plenty of delicious plant-based alternatives to your favorite meals. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What are the health benefits of a plant-based diet? For starters, it can lower your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Plus, you'll have more energy, clearer skin, and better digestion. Say goodbye to that food coma and hello to feeling amazing. Not only is a plant-based diet good for your health, it's good for the planet too. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. By eating more plants and fewer animal products, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help preserve natural resources for future generations. And let's not forget about our furry friends. Animal agriculture can have a devastating impact on animal welfare. By choosing a plant-based diet, you can make a positive impact on the lives of animals and reduce their suffering. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how do I transition to a plant-based diet? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Start by meal planning and finding plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and beans. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. There are endless possibilities when it comes to plant-based cooking. But wait, what about protein, calcium, iron? Aren't those all found in meat and dairy? Actually, no. You can get all the nutrients you need from a well-planned plant-based diet, and no, you won't turn into a weakling or grow horns from eating too many plants. Need some inspiration? Check out these success stories from people who have experienced amazing health improvements from adopting a plant-based diet, from weight loss to reversing chronic diseases. The proof is in the plant-based pudding. So there you have it, folks. The benefits of a plant-based diet are clear. Better health, a healthier planet, and a healthier conscience. So why not give it a try? Your taste buds and the planet will thank you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.